Everyone's fertility journey is different. For many people, having IVF using donated eggs is their way to fulfill their dreams of having a baby. Our donors at Care Fertility are screened to the highest standard, and we meet them personally, supporting them on their journey in delivering the most amazing gift. The teams at Care have tailored our approach to egg donation to offer you significant choice of donors, zero waiting time to be matched to a donor for most patients, cost-effective packages to make treatment more accessible, and excellent success rates. Care Fertility has been leading egg donation IVF treatment for over 25 years, so you can be assured you're in the best of hands and that we'll look after you at every stage of your treatment. Over 40,000 Care babies born with love from Care.